I'm ready to cut your hair, Mommy. Ready? Presley, be careful. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today I am going to give myself a haircut, but I'm actually going to have Presley help me give a haircut. So if I butcher it, you guys can get a good laugh. I'm going to show you how to cut your hair at home. Mommy, I want to cut your hair. Okay, sweetie, I will let you help cut my hair. Yay! I love cutting hair. You see my scissors?
And no real children actually use scissors in this video. This is just a doll.
First things first, I just got my hair more wet because it was already starting to dry. Your hair has to be wet all the way for this cut. Oh my god, there's a lot of water. Okay, so the haircut that we're going to be doing, it's the Brad Mondo butterfly cut. I saw a video of him doing this on YouTube, and it actually provides a great layered look, and you could do it all at home. So we're going to go ahead and give that a shot. So we have to separate the hair in two sections. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so the first section we're going to make sure it's combed, like right by the ear line, and you're just going to take it all the way around, and then you're going to pull it in a pony right by your eyebrows, and we're going to put this in this elastic rubber band. So this is the first part of the sectioning of the hair. Voila! And the second part, we have to take the back of our hair and we're going to put this into a high ponytail. Oh, let's hope I don't mess this up. Then we'll get our hair in that high pony and then cut it. I'm not sure exactly how short I'm going to go, but I guess we will see when we get there. I got my high pony in, everything's in. And next we will get to the cutting. Are you ready, Presley? Yes, Mommy, I am ready to cut. Let's go. Okay, so I got my hair here. I got the scissors back from my little assistant. And oh my god, I'm so nervous. So this is the front. I guess we'll go right here. That's about 4 inches off the front. Here we go. Here goes nothing. I'm so nervous because I have never done this before. Oh my gosh. Alright, so there's no going back now. So this is the front of my hair, and this is what I took off. Right there. Alright, so then we will go to the back. Okay, so on the back, we are going to comb that up and get ready to cut. And we want to cut about the same length off of the back. And we have to kind of bring that to an angle. Just try to get it as smooth as possible. I am no hair professional. This is my first attempt at doing this. At like this angle right here. So I am going to go ahead and oh my god, I did it. I took off about 4 inches. Oh my gosh, I am so nervous. What do you think, Presley? I like haircuts. Alright, so we got it all cut. We're gonna do the big reveal. We're gonna take out the rubber bands and then we'll dry it and we'll style it and we'll see exactly how this turned out. Oh my god, this is really short. Holy, oh my god. I didn't think it was gonna be this short. Oh, this is gonna take some getting used to. Alright, so that's a big dramatic change. I wasn't expecting that much of a change, honestly. I don't know if I'm going to cry or what. Let's take a look at the back. Alright, the back's a little bit longer, so think I am okay. Oh my god, I can feel the layers. There's so many layers and it's hard to see with it being wet, but oh my god, I think I like it. And that was actually pretty simple to do at home. So what I'll do is I will dry it and style it, and I will be back with the final result. Okay, I am back, and oh my gosh, I love the final result. Would you look at all these layers? It actually worked, and it was so easy, and you don't even have to pay for a hairdresser because you could do it right at home if you follow those simple steps. And I actually kept quite a bit of my length on still, but it gave me a lot of layers, and it actually added a lot of volume to my hair, and it looks a lot healthier. And here's the back, if you want to see the back. I actually added some nice layers in there too. And just follow those simple steps and you could have perfect hair. Presley, what do you think?
Oh my gosh, Mommy, it looks so beautiful.
Yes, and you are the best little helper. Thank you so much. And we want to thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time.
Bye-bye.